Hi friends, Patricia here. What I'm working on is bow earrings, and so I'm creating it. So I'm working with copper because of course it's cheaper, and you can once I get adjustments. What I did first was sort of figured out putting a little pattern on paper, and this is the bow. Saw the copper out, and just put that aside. And I'm working on just filing down. This is where I don't know why I pick projects that are so itty bitty. There's that. And here's the other part of the ribbon. I haven't figured out how I'm going to solder that, but I think it'll look cute in silver as bow earrings. Even just like that, that's cute. So I'm going to get the copper one made as a sample, and then I'll know what I have to do, cut it out on silver. So let's get going here and filing some of these filing sticks off of Temu. This is coarser, of course, got black usually is, and then it has the light gray. I'm going to put that. I wrecked my fingernails so bad. Filed off my fingerprints. Just turn on my flex shaft. And I think I'll bring it down a bit so that it will fit. So I'm just going to keep on working at it, and when I'm ready to take it over and solder it, I'll bring you back in. The front of the bow, I haven't soldered on the wrap around there on the bow yet, but on the back I want to put earring post in here, but of course if I put it in there, it's going to be sitting too low. So I figure if I solder a punch in here, it will sit. I always put on the other side a piece of the same thickness of copper that's I'm going to punch on this side. Keep on hearing a plane flying over. I wonder if they're looking for somebody. Take this down. This weighs a ton. I'm going to put some of this Burr Life. It's just a wax. So on the edge of the punch, so it slides easy. So I can solder that little disc on the back, and then okie doke. Just denatured alcohol and borax. I have other fluxes. They swell and then go down. I'm not too happy. Denatured alcohol, it's very, very flammable. Ready. There we go. I think I got this one too. Yeah. Drop that on there. What I have here is copper solder. First the warm up copper. And this. I want to push that down there. Okay. Flip it over. I have the little piece for the bow. Okay. Just use these little eyebrow plucking tweezers for small stuff. Just makes it easier to warm it up again. I think I can touch this now. Let's see if it's welded on. I think it is. I'm going to put it in the pickle pot. Okay guys, let's check the pickle pot. Ooh, shiny. Whoop. I gotta clean up my water here. It's kind of yucky. And this cute little bow. Everybody says your desk is so clean. No, it's not. Got projects half on the go here. So it turned out cute. So let's go polish it up and see what it looks like. I think I might even put that on something like a bracelet. That would be cute. But I'm still going to make the sterling post earrings. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so it did go silver. So we'll see. Silver. I can't wait to work it in silver. That's gonna be cute. A little solder mess there. So if I was going to put an earring post here, I would put a little indent with the drill and then put the sterling post in. But I was thinking this would look really cute on a bracelet, wouldn't it? Looks kind of cool with the silver middle there. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and a thumbs up will be wonderful. Thank you. Bye-bye.